Okay, our legal guys are back. Let's tackle this case. Richard Herman right here in Atlanta with me in person. As you can see, we're sharing a sofa, or at least our sofas are near each other. Avery Freeman in Cleveland. We'll get you here too soon, hopefully. What if, Richard, it's beyond Incognito. We're talking about these allegations. What if it is indeed cultural? It's within top to bottom the NFL. You have so many former players who are saying, you know what, this is nothing. Or it's typical that the rookie would be asked to do things, carry the bags, would be taunted, would be roughed up, so to speak. And if that's the case, if it's cultural, then do you have a case?
Fred, it depends. If the brass at the Miami Dolphins issued a code red here to go after him and it crossed the line to an assault and battery or some criminal activity, then potentially they could be liable. But this is the NFL, okay? This is not flag football. These are tough guys. Football is a tough sport physically and emotionally. Now, if this individual decided to stay home and didn't go to a certain voluntary practice, if he decided not to go with team meetings, which apparently was the case, and the coaches said, listen, toughen him up a little bit, that's not a problem. That's football. This is an elite group. They make a lot of money. Not many people get to this level. Race is used all the time, Avery. It's used on the high school level. It's used in college. It's used in the pros. They're kidding around. None of them are taking that serious.
If somebody's using race, that's unacceptable.
It's how it is.
It's unacceptable. You don't use race.
It's how football is.
It may be the way it is. It may be unlawful also.
Oh, and when we're talking about the culture of football, are we talking about bullying / harassment being two different things? Does it reach a certain level of intolerance when, bullying or harassment reaches a certain level? When will upper management, or when would it get involved, even if, as you say, Richard, it's part of the game that people are to be toughened up, whether it's race or not that's used, which is a whole nother argument.
Emotional distress is a very complex issue. It's very complex.
I still have tons more questions, but we're going to have you come back because we know this case. We're really at the tip of the iceberg in this case. It's going to make, there are going to be several kind of revelations about it as it proceeds
Both of them
forward.
may never play again, by the way. Fred.
Really? You
think?
They
both may not play.
Oh, interesting.
I agree with that.
Really?
The only thing we agreed on during this
I'm sorry, I agree on that.
All right. Richard, thanks so much for being here. Avery, always good to see you as well. Thanks so much, gentlemen. Of course, you can always catch our incredible, brilliant minds of our legal guys, Richard and Avery, every weekend about this time in our noon Eastern hour. We can't get enough of them, and I know you can't either. Thanks so much, gentlemen. And thanks so much, Richard, for stopping by. Appreciate it.